will be unboxing the Canon LX-D5500, one of Canon's color label printers. Let's get started. When you open up the box, you will notice an installation manual and another box. Within the other box, you'll find a power cord, 20 test labels, cleaning sticks, ink tanks, and the printhead. It's important to note that you'll have to manually install your printhead when you receive it. The printer comes with 4 separate ink tanks. Since the ink comes individually, it allows you to replace only the ink cartridge that is used up, saving you money on ink. When you open up the printer, you'll notice tape and cushioning materials that you can remove. The LX-D5500 can support inkjet roll labels and fan fold labels with either matte or glossy finishes. Some special features of the LX-D5500 include its ability to print at 1200 by 1200 dpi and its fast print speeds of up to 200 millimeters per second. It also uses dye-based ink, which can create more vivid images compared to pigment-based ink. Be sure to check out our next video on how to set up the Canon LX-D5500. For more information on labels and thermal printers, visit smithcorona.com or give us a call at 1-800-875-7000.